Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix you need to have a Vanguard running to play error in League of Legends. And fixing this problem is way more simpler than you think. So first go to the Windows Search tab at the control panel and simply open it. And once your control panel was open, here you just need to select the view bar to the category. Once you select it, click on the uninstall a program. And now here guys you have to simply look for the right Vanguard, just keep scrolling down until you find this, and when you find it, right click on that and simply click on the uninstall. Once you install it from your PC, then you can simply open up the Riot Games, click on the League of Legends, and you will see the option to install Riot Vanguard. Just simply install the Riot Vanguard on your PC. Once it was installed, then you can go to the Windows Search tab, hit the services and open it. Here you just need to search for the service name VGC. So once you find it, right click on the service, simply go to its properties, and here you will see the startup type. Just choose it to the automatic, then click on the stop. Once you stop the service, then just simply click on the apply and just click on the start. Once you start the service, then click on the OK, and then you have to simply restart your PC. After the restart, you can just start your game and your problem is fixed. So guys, this is exactly what you need to do to fix this problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.